It's summertime and we're going on a boat. Yay! In any kind of body of water, whether it's like the pool or going to the beach, or what we're doing today is getting a whole bunch of friends and going on a boat for a couple of hours. So we've done this a couple of years with our friends, and I feel at this point it's tradition. We used to go to Austin and just rent out a boat and have so much fun, but this round we are going to do something a little different. We're going to go to Lake Conroe and get a bigger boat and have more friends. So I am just so excited, mostly just to get a tan, because I have not been tanning at all. Like, my legs are a different color than my arms, and I just want to be sun-kissed all day. And I don't know, I'm just excited to chill, have some snackies, and put my toes in the water. Especially since I did like a full face of makeup, y'all. I'm not, like, I never do this whenever I go to like a beach or any body of water. But this time, I just kind of kept adding and I was like, oh, this is all gonna come off. But I don't know. I mean, I look cute, so I guess I need to take some photos before my face just like melts away. So excited to be in the water, excited for a beautiful day, and excited that you are here with me. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, if you subscribe right now, I will jump off the, what is that? What is like the second floor of the boat called? I will jump off the highest part of the boat if you subscribe right now. So,
alright.
Did you do it? Did you subscribe? Let me know in the comments right now. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, we'll do a quick outfit of the day. I'm here with my friend Jasmin. Wow, I feel like I'm interviewing.
Yeah. What the heck? I went to Austin High School.
I know. Oh my gosh, we've known each other since probably 3rd grade.
Literally, like forever.
And we were neighbors. We played outside when people actually played outside.
You did my makeup for prom.
Oh my gosh,
I don't know if you remember that. Yeah. I just showed my friends some photos the other day. I was like, oh my god,
oh my
Wendy
gosh.
did my
I
makeup.
hope it looked good.
It did. It did. Timeless.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Jasmin lives in New York, and obviously, like a true New Yorker, she is a fashion icon. So we're gonna do like a quick, quick OOTD. Do you even say that now? Like, or is it like fit check? Top is from COS. Shorts. Oh, a Goldie. Yes, I've been wanting long shorts, and like 2 years ago I found these and I never wore them.
They're so cute. Why weren't you wearing?
And my shoes, APC from City. Socks are probably Goop.
I love Goo.
And earrings, I don't know. I need new jewelry, so send me some recos because my jewelry is just like slowly disappearing. What is your OOTD here?
So I have a polo that I got from a thrift in LA. I'm not remembering the name. It was a vendor, and she takes polos and like crops them, makes them all cute. Yeah, like obsessed with it.
Yes.
And then these shirts were from another thrift called Brooklyn Affair. You can find her in LA at the Sunset Shop. And then Solomon's on my feet. Yeah.
You know, instead of saying Solomon, I say Solomon's.
Salomon.
For no reason.
You give some flavor. Like
there's no reason why.
Salomon's. I'll say it too, like that.
You know, maybe it's like a French way.
Yeah.
I don't know. If you speak French,
let us know if you're French.
Yeah. I love Olipop cherry cola so much. Today I'm gonna be making some dinner, and I feel like I'm making a Wendy special, but really, to be honest, I'm just making like Tex-Mex style beef fajita tacos. So I always just like try to go all out whenever I make tacos, especially since my parents own their own business. They have 2 Mexican restaurants, street style tacos, and my mom is actually here to cook with me. Wow. Uh-oh, she's important. My tacos are nothing like, well, actually, no, they're pretty good, but they're not super Mexican tacos. I feel like they're more Tex-Mex, but I get Mexican tacos all the time, so that's why I like to change it up whenever I do make it at home. So I'm excited to cook, especially get some tips from my mom because she's so good at cooking. So let's go. I just told my mom I'm taller than her. She doesn't believe it.
Oh, sí. Poquito. Es bueno, sí, eso es.
Con un tomate porque es para el guacamole. Ya tengo mucha hambre. These are all our ingredients. So I have beef fajita, corn, we've got tomatillos for the hot sauce, lemon, chile de árbol,
Chile de árbol. Chile jalapeño.
chile jalapeno for the guac, avocados for the guac, cilantro, onion for the taco and the guac, bell pepper, tomato for the guac, and queso fresco, sour cream, and finally the hero of it all, just kidding, mitad tortillas and butter tortillas. Got black pepper, salt, we need to refill this, and garlic powder for the fajita. My mom's bringing out the, what is it called?
El mero bueno aquí va.
Ooh. ¿Cómo se llama? Molcajete. This makes me actually want to grill outside because obviously you kind of get like a different seasoning and flavor and stuff, but gotta work with what you got. ¿Qué vas a hacer? Tómate.
La salsa.
That's the one thing about my mom, her hot sauce. ¿Verdad, mate? Picosa y muy deliciosa. Picosa y delicioso.
Cuidado que vas a ahogar.
Oh no. Ya lo huelo. We're gonna try try the seasoning. Okay. No sé si le falta sal. Okay. Being left-handed is hilarious because everything that people are doing right, supposedly right. For me, I have to flip it over. Dang, these are so juicy. I think the things that I cook with the most are like salt, garlic, and pepper. I don't think I need anything else, but maybe paprika? I don't know. What do you like to cook with? Let me know in the comments below. Guacamole. In progress. Guac test. Muy bueno. Guac reveal. Revelación de guacamole. Corn is done. No one really eats corn in their tacos, but these are Wendy Style Tacos, so I will for sure be eating them like this. If anyone wants to see my mom cooking and make her own YouTube channel, let me know in the comments below. Paprika? Oh my god. Está buena.
Oh my god. Pero está buena. Para los tacos.
No estaba lista.
Te dije, yo te dije.
Okay, this is ready and juicy. Look at that. Wow. Dang, these tortillas change your life.
It's a lot of whistling.
I like to make my onions super burnt-ish because the caramelized onions need a little caramelization. That's good. Wow. I'm such a chef.
What's a chef?
I'm such a chef. You can call me Chef Wendy.
First bite. It's really good. Oh, this is awesome.
Sabroso. Muy bueno.
We are gonna have some dinner at Trill Burger. I have been craving this place for quite some time because one, like, who doesn't love an OG burger? And two, this is one of the best burger places in Houston. So if you haven't checked it out, please do so and let me know in the comments below. Before we start, we're waiting for our friend Ralph. Before we start, I do want to show you an outfit of the day. I literally threw everything on, so let me know what you think. And we're gonna eat some yummy burgers. My dress is from Reformation. My denim vest is actually, OMG, it's from Japan. When we went thrifting, oh my gosh, I miss thrifting in Japan so much. And my shoes are Salomon's. My socks, I think, maybe Goo from Japan as well. I don't know. I'm hungry and Ralph is about to get here, so let's go eat. we are going to go to a new bar that is going to open soon. It's not yet open, but it is called The Rabbit Hole. And we got invited to do a fun tasting. So I am excited because it is family owned, and I've seen the process from like just this place being an idea to actually coming to life. So it's so cool to actually be here IRL. Wow, why did I say IRL? Anyways, oh, guys, if you see me outfit repeating, like, please don't judge me. Like, I am currently working on a new vlog, and I mean, okay, I'll give you one clue on what it's about, but here. These matcha stains, they're not just for fun, okay? It's because I've been doing some research, and I mean, you know what? That's all I'm gonna give you. So if you want to guess what the next vlog is about, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Please let me know if you like this kind of content where I just show you day-to-day life, activities, the restaurants that I'm liking, and I'll continue putting out videos like this. And if not, if you have any other suggestions as well, please let me know, and I'd love to, try something out different. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.